When you first walk into my room, you see 4 distinct areas. We have my dresser area, we have my cute little bed area, we have the windowsill with the chill spot below it, and my office area. So starting off with the dresser, I have this cute little decorative slash functional ensemble going on here just to add a little bit of spice to the area. I have this plant slash decor piece from Primark. I have a candle below it with a gold accent, and I have this cute little jewelry slash small things holder and a little plant from IKEA, and I just love it all together. It adds the spice that I need. On the other side, I have this basket that just holds my everyday skincare, perfume, and all that. I also got this circle mirror from Amazon, which I love. I got it in the gold color, and I'll absolutely link it down below. Moving on to the right of that, we have my wardrobe slash closet, whatever you want to call her, and it's a pretty decent size. It has this touch opening functionality thing, which I absolutely love, and there's not much to it really. I think the key thing that I love here is that I added my unit inside to add as like folding storage, and that worked out so well. But yeah, that is it for the closet. The focal area of my room is definitely the bed. So when you first walk in, that's what you see, and I love how I turned it into this cool like white, green, mustardy aesthetic. And yeah, it's really giving the aesthetic that I was looking for, and I got these cute little decorative pillows to just add onto that vibe. All of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes right above the bed, I have this cute little sign that says sweet dreams, and I really love it because you don't really see it because it's covered by the curtain most of the time, but I know it's there and it just adds on, you know. And moving on to the side of the bed, we have my makeshift bedside table, which is absolutely a work in progress because it's just a box that I had, ciao. And then to the right of that, we have my chill spot. It's very important for me to have a place to relax that's away from my bed, and so this is what I did. The ultimate idea is to get a beanbag, but those are actually expensive. But yeah, this works for now, and it's actually really chill and comfortable, so yeah. Now, the windowsill has to be my favorite part of the room. Like, I got a bunch of cute little decor items, put them together, and the girls are giving. Like, I absolutely love this area. It's really giving bougie babe, it's giving classy babe, it's giving London babe, and she is the girl she thinks she is. And let me tell you, when I add this mirror, I love that I'm able to move the mirror from the dresser to this windowsill area, and it just elevates it. When I tell you the pictures that have been coming out of here, guys, I absolutely love it. The versatility of this is wild. Moving on to the last and final part of the room, we have my office area slash desk area, and it's really important for me to have a nice space because I work a lot from home. I'm a student who's currently doing a placement year, so yes, I am a 9-to-5 working babe. I have a lot of color in this area because it's very important to me to have a motivating space, and color motivates me, and I had to like play a lot with that. So with this storage cabinet, I decided to play interior designer, and at the top I just put this cute little frame with a flower on it, and below that I organized my books and color coded them, which I absolutely love. And just to add some spice and bring a little bit of me, I added these 2 little like Smurf doll and like the other Mother Christmas doll, and yeah, I just thought that was cute. And then here I have my tech like section where I just have, it's not the tidiest, but it has all my tech things in there and a cute plant and everything. And then finally below all of that, I have my snack drawer, which was very much stocked up on the day I filmed this. But yeah, it's just like my everything shelf that I store a lot of my things that I need when I'm at the desk. My desk doesn't have anything crazy, it just have very colorful things and this cute little mouse pad that I found on Amazon. I absolutely love it. I have my monitor from Philips that I got from work, nothing crazy, and I have this cute little lamp that is from IKEA, and yeah, it just gets the job done. But yeah, that is really it with my desk and the final part of this room.
wanna not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse.
So yeah, you guys, this is the tour. This is the room tour. A bit preliminary because I'm not done like setting everything up. Like you guys can still see the red curtains, but this is it for now. I feel like I'm only gonna ever finish it like in a few months, or like I need a lot more time to be able to pick the right things. But so far I think it's really cute. I really love my room. It's starting to feel, it's giving what I wanted it to give. It's giving aesthetic babe. It's giving me. It's a little bit of me, and I love that. And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, really enjoyed the tour. Comment down below which part of the room you like, which items, each decor pieces you like the most. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you've come all the way to the end and you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time that I post a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.